Good morning class, I hope you are good and fine. Class 3, subject maths, topic Roman numbers. Yesterday we learned 1 to 20. Today we will learn 30 to 40. 30 to 40. Open your book, page number 5. You already learned 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 10. 10. Okay. We put over there it will be 31. 31. Number 2. Over there it will be 32. Number 3. Over there $33. It will be 33. Number 4. Number 4. Over there 34. It will be 34. Number 5. You already learned 1 to 10. Number 5. Over there it will be 35. Number 6. Over there it will be 36. Number 7. Over there it will be 37. Good. 8. Number 8. Over there it will be 38. Number 9. It will be 39. Number 10 is not complete. L. Over there it will be 40. Good. 40. $31, $32, $33, $34, $35, $36, $37, $38, $39, $40. XL 40. Activity number 1. Match the right Roman number. Okay, 36. Tell me students, where is 36? 30, triple X, 1, 2, 3. 36, 36. 38. Where is 38? Okay. 30. 1, 2, 3. 38. 38. 33. Tell me student, page 33. 1, 2, 3. Triple X. 3. 30. 33. 39, page 39, 9, only 9, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 30, 9, 39, 40, XL, 40, XL. Activity number 2, write and learn Roman numbers 31 to 40 in your copies. Thank you, student. I hope you understood Roman number 31 to 40. God bless you.